Oh, now I'm just tired. After so many tries, I'm tired.
Okay. Well, just wait till tomorrow and you can get more handles, right? But that might help you right there.
Ma'am?
That bungee cord might help you.
I don't know that it will help me because,
It stretches too much.
well, and if I had handles, I wouldn't need it.
Oh, right.
I was going to try it because I don't have handles. If I had handle here and here.
Yeah.
I'm just so tired I can't hardly do it. That's
Well, quit. It's time to quit.
if I had, which I would always have somebody with me. They could help me.
Unless they got dumped too.
Ma'am?
Unless they got dumped too.
Well, that ain't likely. Now, see, if I'm in shallow water like this, I can get in.
Yeah.
It's when you're in deep.
Hmm. You could take a ladder with you and
They got like rope ladders. And like, you could like put a rope ladder
yeah.
thing like this. Put your foot in there. Then, you know, that would help you jump up.
Yeah.
Something like that. Matter of fact, people was using like coolers, and they put their foot in the handle of the cooler. Oh, hand me that little ring over there, that little kitty ring. Go towards the door.
This green thing?
No, go around by the door.
Okay.
All the way by the door. That. I was going to try that.
Ah.
See, cause look. If this, it would probably be easier to jump on this. Or if I can put a foot in here, see like this. Ah! Kind of like this.
I think this is a what not to do film. Oh, brother.
One foot. That don't work.
Well, you might as well just get rid of that idea. Oh, Teresa. You're supposed to get in the boat, not that thing.
Okay.
Well, you could do a thing on how not to try to get into a kayak when you get thrown out.
Well, I'm gonna get me some handles, put them right here.
Okay. You could buy enough handles to go all the way around the boat.
Well, just about will. I have one here and one here. Then I grab this
Yeah.
and pull it and pull myself up there. Try it, Mark.
Okay. You need to rest up.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
Mm-hmm.